Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of data analysis and answering the question, who is a data analyst? So if you're curious about this fascinating field, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. Before I get into the details, let's first understand what exactly a data analyst does. In simple terms, a data analyst is a skilled professional responsible for collecting, organizing, and interpreting data to extract valuable insights and support decision-making processes. Data analysts play a crucial role in various industries, from finance and marketing to healthcare and technology. They use their analytical prowess and statistical knowledge to make sense of complex data sets and identify patterns and trends. Now you might be wondering, what skills does a data analyst need to excel in this field? First and foremost, a strong foundation in programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL is essential. These languages are used for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Next, a data analyst must possess excellent data visualization skills. Creating insightful charts, graphs, and dashboards helps convey complex information in a visually appealing manner. Another vital skill is the ability to work with various data analysis tools and software like Excel, Tableau, or Power BI. Furthermore, a data analyst should have a curious and inquisitive mindset. The ability to ask the right questions and explore data from different angles is crucial for discovering meaningful insights. To summarize, a data analyst is a data-savvy professional who leverages their skills to transform raw data into valuable insights. They are equipped with programming, visualization, and analytical skills, enabling them to make data-driven decisions. If you have a passion for numbers, problem-solving, and discovering hidden patterns, a career as a data analyst might be the perfect fit for you. Thank you all for joining us today to explore the world of data analysts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep analyzing and keep exploring.